Hey everyone, let's dive into using our amazing project Refine. Here's where it all begins, our landing page. Simply click here to get started. You'll need to upload your resume, but for this demo, we'll use our sample case. It autofills the job description and resume preview. In practice, you'll upload your resume and input the job description here. Next, we initiate the diagnosis process automatically. Here's the overall match between your resume and the job description, along with the ATS score, evidence strength, and level fit. This is the workflow to enhance your resume. Check out the diagnostic summary here. ATS readiness and action plan details are provided. Now let's move on to reviewing the resume patch. Here's another summary and skills section. Let's continue. Here's your 1-week action plan broken down day by day. Explore interview prep questions and review the drafted resume created for you. It's all set right here. See some suggested fixes here. Next, head to the practice section to prep for interviews. To view your interview score, start the session. You'll find the interview questions. Answer them and score your responses. We'll skip this for now. Here's your given score. We're in the history section viewing past analyses. We can also compare multiple job descriptions at once. Follow the same process as we did that we have done till now to compare multiple job descriptions. That's our platform, transforming resumes into job-winning documents.